Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your US bank mortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in US bank mortgage, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as usbank.com. In my case, it's the first one. And now you are in the official website of US Bank. To log in, just tap on this login button which is on the top right of your screen. Then tap on this online banking. Then select your account type, whether it's online banking, online investing, business banking, corporate and commercial, or institutional. Then provide your username in the text field given for username. Then provide your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on the show button to see and verify whether you have typed in your password correct or not. You can also check this box that says remember my username so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged into your account if your credentials are correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to drop any of your questions and queries in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.